Hello, welcome back to $2 Garage, and today we're going to be covering a common issue. If you've ever owned a 2012 to 2014 Ford Focus, when you open up your door, your running lights will come on, and they like to burn out. So that is your bulb. It's a 194NA, and I paid $2. Now you can get these on Amazon for like $5 or $6. I'll leave them in the description. I bought this from a dealer. One step I already did was you take this T30 Torx here, that T30 Torx, take them out. I just put them in so I know where they are. In there, in this headlight, is a little black connector. You're going to take an 8mm wrench and use the open end and move it until you hear a click, and then it will come out. Counterclockwise to clarify. It's because this is a junkyard headlight, which evidently has been rewired.
2 hours later.
It's been a while, but you take your 8mm, turn it counterclockwise, and then once you hear a pop from the light, you take something like this, and you just pop the light out. Now you want to take the socket and pull it out so it sticks out of the small little crevice for the bulb. So this is a horrible design. On the 2015 to 2018 headlights, this bracket is actually sitting right here, so you just pop it out and do it. But 12 to 14 owners have to live with this, and wow, this is butchered. I'm gonna clean this bulb because I touched it, because no bag. Pull this one out and put the new one in.
Two hours later.
The best way to push it in is to line it up, and if you see my two fingers like this, just push it in and get it to sit in there, and once you do that, you can tighten it with a wrench. Once it's lined up, because the clips are broken internally in this headlight, it's clearly seen some stuff, you just take this wrench and push it in. But it's in. Now before you install it, obviously test it. It's plugged in, so we're good. Now the rest of it's simple, so you're going to take your T30 and your two Torx, install them back the way it is. I'm not going to film that because it's dark. And there we see, just like that, doors open, both lights work. Great. That's quite a pain in the ass for something so small. Anyway guys, I hope this helps. Don't forget to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe.